Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to automatically fill empty cells in Google Sheets. Let's begin. I already copied to this formula. Example, I fill column E with column A data or numbers, value, etc. Click here, then press Ctrl V, copy to this formula. See this formula. If you want to fill data or numbers from column B, simply replace the letter A in the formula with the column you want to use. If you still don't understand, leave me a comment and I will write the correct formula for any column. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.